Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another fun and exciting video, and today I will be showing you guys how to encapsulate polygel nails. So as you guys can see, I am using the Gershion brand, using their top coat, their base coat, and I will be using the clear polygel from them. Also, as a solution, I'm just using 100% acetone along with their double-sided tool. It brings a brush and a spatula, and then I also have my dotting tool, some glitter, some butterflies on the side, and my nail form. So let's get started. Okay, so I've applied the base off camera and cured it with my UV lamp. I used the Gershion base coat to do so, and now what we're going to do is I'm going to grab a nail form, place it on my nail, and make sure that it fits sidewall to sidewall. If not, you can always adjust it and file, to customize it to your nail. So here we have the Gershion clear polygel, and pretty much I'm just going to grab a little bit of the polygel, enough to cover the nail to my liking of my length, because if you do apply too much of a thick layer, what happens is when you go and apply your second layer, it might not be placed properly on the nail because it will be too thick. So just keep that in mind, please. If you're going to encapsulate the nails, just remember to first start off with a very thin layer of polygel. So here I begin to apply the thin layer of the polygel. So pretty much I just grabbed a bit of the 100% acetone, which actually works really well with this. So I am just going to spread it all over the nail to my liking of length, and then I will be encapsulating some butterflies. I did decide to encapsulate butterflies today with some glitter, and I just hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really did enjoy doing it, so just stay tuned and watch the process. Okay guys, so now the nail is done curing under the UV lamp. So now what I'm going to go do is apply the second layer of the polygel onto the nail. Okay, so now that I'm done placing the second layer of polygel, now I will go and place it on my nail and make sure that everything is fine. And if you guys have any polygel oozing out from the sides, you can always go and clean it up before curing the nail. So right here, that is what I'm doing. I'm just placing the nail, making sure it's secure, and I'm going to place it into the nail lamp for 60 seconds. So this is what the nail looks like after it's been cured, and the shape is a bit off, but that is no problem because we are going to go back and file, shape, and buff the nails. But this is what it looks like. It looks super cute. I hope you guys are enjoying this encapsulation of butterflies and glitter. I really enjoyed creating this video for you guys. So here I begin to do the same exact thing, making sure the nail form fits my nail. And by the way, I did have to file some of the nail forms for it to fit my nail. So as you guys can see here, I am just repeating the process, so enjoy. Okay guys, so these are what the nails look like after they've been cured and all encapsulated. They look super cute. I love them. So now we will begin to shape, file, and buff. So these are what the nails look like after they've been filed, shaped, and buffed. As you guys can see, I decided to go with the square shape today, and this is what they turned out. I really am liking these nails, and now I'm just going to top it off with the Gershion top coat. So I will apply this to all my nails and then cure for 60 seconds under the UV lamp. So these are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.